Hi, this is Rajgopal. It's my third video. Now, whatever you're watching these boulders, it's almost 2 floors height in regular, but it looks normal. And this is the only path where you can be through. There is no other way. You can see around this part, right? So that's all thick forest, and there is no trails at all. You can't move the vehicle from through that. So that's it. You can see the bottom side, the people, they're exhausted basically, because what I shown the previous one, the off-roading, the soil type of it with a lot of cracks in it, we crossed all those things because I don't want to show it number of times, so I skipped that part and brought it over here into the deep forest trails. And that's it. We're going ahead and the people are discussing like अभी क्या करना है, ओके आगे जाना है या यहीं पे वापस जाना है. आई सेड descending of the 2 floors boulder wall wala thing is easy for us, but going back on top of it and going all those through cracks and all, instead of that let us try where it takes into the further. कहाँ जाना है देखते हैं. Whatever the place it going to be, let's explore it. Okay, then we slowly started and everybody said that okay, let's go. See, going to this trail and seeing through that, in between I got a small snake in between, and that one is very small, not so big. It's 3 foot long I think, and it catches a lizard one, the orange lizard. So orange is our favorite basically now, so I don't want to let it get catch up. I want to distract it, so I try to take the snap of it. I'm not so good on neither my action camera to capture all those things while voiceover, so I could not get to point out also where the snake was. So if you've seen that, it is well and good. If not, please further ahead to that, the snake was, we just throw some small sticks over it, so lizard escaped from that and ran over. I I don't know how to show that part of it, so I skipped it. So the dramatic things is the beautiful things while doing these videos and all, but sorry, I'm not a professional, so in the future maybe I can do that with better equipment. Yeah, the trail goes on now. See, this trail, it's only the trek path, there is no other way the vehicle can be through that. Okay, the small rubble or pebbles, whatever you say, that's are stones, small stones. They are the very dangerous one. They won't let you to go beyond 5 km speed even. You know, you go beyond speed that, you get slip out and you fall down. That's going to be very very difficult. And in the previous videos I told, this is going to be an all-terrain vehicle. Reason for that, definitely going to see on my 4th or 5th video. As of now, I'm just passing through it, and you can see the difficulty level of it. It's not so easy to pass through all these. Of course, people बोलेंगे अबे यार तू क्यों घुसा है उसके अंदर, why do you have gone through that? वही तो होता है ना, इचिंग, जाना है करना है सब कुछ ऐसे ही. सो यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा stream, or you can say it's a, I want to cross through that and take a break, and I'll check out the people who are there in my back of it. Are they safe or not? Yeah, the Ashish has come. Now I need to check with those small things to help them out, come on ease part of it. See, the road path will be clear, then it will be like, yeah, you can also just go on, but it is not that. So if you like it, well and good. If you more like it, then please do subscribe it. Thank you very much.